Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today class. Today we are going to continue the same topic, mensuration. Last class we learned about how to find the area of 2D figures. You know what is mean by 2D figures? Like square, rectangle, all the polygons are 2D figures. Right? Which are having two dimensions, length and breadth are called 2D figures. So we learned how to find the area of those 2D figures. Now today class we are going to learn how to find the area of 3D figures. What is meant by 3D figure? Three dimensions. Those three dimensions are length, breadth, height. Are also called as solid figures. Nothing but three-dimensional figures. How to find the surface area and values of 3D figures? We'll see in today's class. First we'll see about cuboid. You can see many objects like in cuboid shape. Cuboid nothing but a rectangular solid bounded by six rectangular plane face is called a cuboid. If you see a compass box, a cuboid. Your math textbook, a cuboid. Like you can see one object here. It is a cuboid. You can see duster is also one cuboid. It has six rectangular faces. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has six rectangular faces. It is called a cuboid. Three-dimensional figure. Those three dimensions are length, breadth, height. Now let us see how many faces it has. Six faces. It has six rectangular faces. How many edges? Edges are nothing but sides. How many sides are there? Bottom four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom 4, top 4, 8. Laterals 4, 12. Total how many? 12 edges. What is this? How many corners they see? But 1, 2, 3, 4. Top 4 corners. Bottom will see 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether 8 vertices. It has 6 rectangular faces and 12 edges and more 4 vertices. Now see how many length it has. 1 length, 2 length, 3rd length, 4th length. It has 4 lengths. How many breadth you can see better here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 breadth. Height see 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 length, 4 breadth, 4 height. 4 threes are 12 edges. Now, what is meant by lateral surface area? What is meant by total surface area of cuboid? Let us see here now. It has 6 faces. If you take only 4 walls area, like 1, 2, 3, 4, except top and bottom, if you consider only the 4 faces area, it is called LSA, lateral surface area. Sum of areas of 4 walls of a cuboid is called lateral surface area, which is also called as LSA. What is meant by LSA better? Except top and bottom. If you consider only 4 face area, 1, 2, 3, 4. This sum of this 4 face area is called lateral surface area. So how can you find that lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means sum of 4 rectangle faces. That's all. Sum of 4 rectangle faces. So here LSA of cuboid is equal to, we'll find the area of 4 rectangle faces. First rectangle face, length into breadth, we are going to consider as a height. This height is going to become a what? Breadth. Length into breadth. Only this part you can consider. Area of this part, area of rectangle, length into breadth. But we assumed already this height. So area of one rectangle. Let me write here area of first plus area of second plus area of third plus area of fourth rectangles. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, but here the breadth means what? Height. L into h. L into h plus second face. This one length into breadth generally, but this one we took breadth into height. Yes, breadth into height plus area of third figure. Third figure means this one length into height. Length into breadth generally, but breadth already we assumed it is height. So L into h. L into h plus area of fourth base beta. Breadth into height. Breadth into height. Sum of all this gives us LHS of a cuboid. L into h. LH plus BH plus LH plus BH. Simplify the right terms better here. BH plus BH. 2BH plus LH plus 2BH plus LH plus here L into H but not L into B, L into H. LH plus LH 2LH, or you can write together also, no issues. You can write together also, you can find out. LH, LH, both are right terms. Write together LH plus LH. Again BH plus BH, both are right terms. Yes. Now these both are like terms, you can simplify. LH plus LH, 2LH plus BH plus BH, 2BH. Anything is common? 2 we can take common, H also we can take common. If I take 2H common, what left here? L plus B. L plus B. Yes. This is the formula we can use to know the LHC of a cuboid. LHC, I mean lateral surface area of cuboid. Similarly, let us see what is the TSA of a cuboid. The sum of areas of all 6 faces, for lateral 4 faces plus top plus bottom. Sum of areas of all the 6 faces of cuboid gives us TSA of a cuboid. Yes. Now let us find the formula to find TSA of a cuboid. TSA of cuboid is equal to, already we got LSC. LSA plus LSA means in that we covered 4 faces area plus area of the top plus area of the bottom. Yes, area of top rectangle. Yes, area of top rectangle plus area of bottom rectangle. Area of bottom rectangle. Hope it is clear to you. TSA of a cuboid means LSA plus. LSA means 4 faces plus area of the top plus area of the bottom. See, already we got LSA. How much we got beta? Which is 2H into L plus B plus area of the top. Area of the top is length into breadth. L into B plus area of the bottom rectangle is how much? Length into breadth. Area of bottom rectangle is how much? L into B. Now is equal to 2H into L plus B plus L into B, LB plus L into B, LB. Now is equal to, we'll multiply this because from all let they come here. Multiply 2H into L, 2HL plus 2H into B, 2HB plus LB plus LB, 2LB. So from this we can see only 2 common. What left better here? HL plus HB plus LB. This is the formula we can use to find the TSA of a cuboid. More order if you want to, we can write like this: 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus BH plus NH or HL, you wish. Both same, only better multiplication of. So this formula we can use to find the TSA of a cuboid. TSA of cuboid, I mean total surface area of a cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL or NH, your wish. So this one is clear from. Yes, children, let's see one more 3D object which is cube. Like generally you can play dice, like it is in cube shape only. What is meant by cube? Let's see here. A cuboid whose length, breadth, height are equal is called a cube. Cube is also same like cuboid, but in cuboid we have rectangular faces, but here we have square faces, and also they said here length, breadth, height, all the three dimensions are same, equal it seems. Even for this figure also we have 6 square faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. You can see better here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, 12 edges, bottom 4, top 4 edges, lateral 4, 12 edges, 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, top 4 vertices, bottom 4 vertices, altogether 8 vertices. Let us see how to find the LSE of cube and TSE of a cube. As I said, LSE means sum of areas of 4 lateral square faces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Except the top and bottom, the remaining 4 walls area is called LSA. So how the remaining 4 walls are square shape and all they are congruent. Length, breadth, height, all the 3 dimensions are same. Length equal, breadth equal, height, all they are same. So to know the LSA of a cube, it's enough to find area of 4 square faces. Area of 4 square faces. LSA of cube is equal to, we can write area of 4 square faces. So how can you find better here? 4 into area of square face. What is the area of square face? Side into side. So 4 into, here the side I am taking some A into A. 4 into A is what? A square. So is equal to how much? 4A square. This is LSA of a cube. So to know the LSA of a cube, you can apply this formula. Lateral surface area of a cube. Area of 4 square faces. One square face, side to side, A into A square. 4 faces, 4A square. Similarly here, TSE means area of 6 faces. One face, A square. 6 faces, 6A square. That's all. So here we can write TSE of cube is equal to, see whenever you want to find the TSA, better you can take the help of LSA. LSA plus area of the top plus area of the bottom. So let me write here LSA plus area of top square. Area of top square plus area of bottom square. Area of bottom square. So LSA is what? 4A square I got. Area of top side into side A into A square plus area of the bottom side into side A into A square. 4A square plus 1A square plus 1A square gives us 6A square, which is TSA of cube. Total surface area of a cube. It means all the 6 square faces area. One square face area is A into A square. 6 faces, 6A square. Yes, children, let's see one more 3D figure, which is cylinder. What is meant by cylinder here? A solid like circular pillars, road rollers, measuring jars, gas cylinder, etc. are said to be cylinder shape. See, when the object is like this shape, it is called a cylinder. Like this, we can see many objects in our daily life. Tube light, you can see a tube like cylinder shape. Petrol tanker, some of the petrol tankers, water tankers are also there in cylinder shape. Like many objects are there in our daily life which are in cylinder shape. Now let us see how to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. See, what is meant by lateral surface area? Only this curved face, except top circle and except bottom circle. You can see here top and bottom are circular faces, and also we can see top circle, bottom circle are congruent. It means they have same radius. They have same radius. Now LSA means find the lateral surface area. Only this curved surface area except top and bottom. TSA means along with this lateral surface area, find the area of top circle and find the area of bottom circle. Now let us find the area of LSA of cylinder. See, let me take a cylinder here. Top circle, bottom circle, and here top and bottom are both are closed. To find the lateral surface area of this cylinder, just you can take one scissor and you can cut along with this edge. You can cut along with this edge better, and you can open it. This lateral will be like a rectangle shape will get. You know, lateral will get like a rectangle shape, and top circle will be as it is, and bottom circle also will be as it is. And let us see the same by doing the small activity paper. See, let me take one cylinder here. Yes, it is the cylinder. But here top circle, bottom circle opened better. Just imagine sometime top circle, bottom circle also closed with cover sheet. Top and bottom circles are closed. Imagine like that. Now here we have a cylinder. Just you can take one scissor and cut along with this edge, and you can open it. So when you open that, how the LSA is going to change, you can see once. Now present, once if it is cylinder, this one is called LSA of cylinder. This curved face is called lateral surface area of cylinder. But when I open that, LSA is going to become a rectangle. LSA is going to become what better? Rectangle. LSA is going to become rectangle. And here the top is opened. So if the top is closed, that also we can cut and we can remove. Top circle we can remove. Bottom circle we can remove. Here I remove top and bottom circles. Now we have to find this area. This one is nothing but curved surface area of cylinder. So how can I find this area? Sir, in rectangle shape, area is length into breadth. But what is the length? Let us see once again. So what do we call this portion better? Circumference of circle. What is the formula to find circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. And this is what you know? Height of cylinder. When I open this, imagine this one is circumference of circle 2 pi r. When I open the cylinder, circumference is going to become what? 2 pi r is going to become its length. Hope it's clear. So 2 pi r is going to become a length. And also height of cylinder is going to become breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle. So let me write here, length is 2 pi r and the breadth is height. Hope it is clear to all. This curved face, the circular face is going to become length, and height of cylinder is going to become breadth. So here we can write LSA of cylinder is equal to area of rectangle. Both are equal. The reason, when I open that LSA, when I open this curved face from the cylinder, when I open this curved face, I got rectangle. So formula is length into breadth. Here the length is nothing but circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is going to become length into breadth means height. Height of cylinder is going to become a breadth. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r into height of cylinder is h. So here we have the formula is 2 pi r h. It is about LSA of cylinder. So LSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now let us see what is meant by TSA. TSA means LSA plus top circle area plus bottom circle area. As I said, top and bottom circles are same radius. Instead of finding individually, you can write 2 into area of circle also. Now let me write here TSA of cylinder is equal LSA, lateral surface area. This lateral surface area plus area of top and bottom circles. Top and bottom circles are congruent. So we can write LSA plus 2 into area of circular ends. Area of circular ends. Both circular ends are congruent. So we can write 2 into instead of finding individually. What is LSA? 2 pi RH plus 2 into what is area of circle? Pi r square. Simplify this 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So from this we can take 2 we can take outside, 5 we can take outside, r power 1, r power 2, 1 r we can take outside. So the leftover part is h plus 1 r left. So this only will write 2 pi r into r plus h. This one is formula to find TSA of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder. Hope it is clear to all. So today class we learned how to find LSA, TSA of three different 3D figures: cube, cuboid, cylinder. LSA means only lateral faces except top and bottom. TSA means along with the lateral faces, top area and bottom area. So these are the formulas. Based on this we have problem solving.